breaking car collecting football fans. This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're going to be your box breaking website. We are coming in live at 10 p.m. Eastern, 9 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2011 Topps Prime Football. And here is the roster for tonight. Here's the box for tonight's break. And I believe we're looking at one on-card auto, one auto relic, and two jersey patches. Hopefully we'll pull something fat for you guys. It's 10 packs, 6 cards a pack. Alright, pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Up first, Detroit Lions, Calvin Johnson Jr. 49ers, Michael Crabtree. Dallas Cowboys, Felix Jones. Prime Rookies, Cleveland Browns, Greg Little. Minnesota Vikings, Sidney Rice. And a rookie for the 49ers, Kendall Hunter. Hopefully everybody's enjoying the weather tonight. Myself, I went and drowned a couple worms, caught a little bluegill, but definitely nothing exciting. Arizona Cardinals, Larry Fitzgerald. Baltimore Ravens, Ray Lewis. New York Giants, Eli Manning. And it looks like we have a dual card for the San Diego Chargers, Jordan Todman, Vincent Brown. Two nice rookies. First hit of the box, jumbo patch for the Cleveland Browns, rookie receiver Greg Little. And that is number 25 out of 25. See if we can get that focused in there for you. So, very last one made. Very cool. And rookie running back for the Atlanta Falcons, Jaquez Rogers. And that one is numbered 9 out of 399. Alright, one hit down. Still got 3 to go with 2 autos. Feel something big tonight. Hit of fame, possibly. Eagles, Jeremy Maclin. Cleveland Browns getting the hot box, Peyton Hillis. New Orleans Saints, Jimmy Graham. Wasn't sure if that's a rookie or not. I don't believe it is. This one is a rookie. Buffalo Bills, Marcel Darius. Another Baltimore Raven, Ray Lewis card. And then we have a Titus Young rookie for the Lions. This one is numbered 5 out of 599. That helps you zoom out and then zoom back in. Oh, take my word for it. It is numbered 5 out of 599. For the Green Bay Packers, Aaron Rodgers. Ooh, another one. Green Bay Packers, Greg Jennings. Philadelphia Eagles, Michael Vick. Oakland Raiders, Michael Bush. And it looks like we found our relic auto, Ryan Williams, rookie running back for the Cardinals, quad patch auto. Very nice looking card. That is numbered 100 out of 515. And given Beanie Wells' injury history, watch for Ryan Williams to be a fantasy stud. And speaking of fantasy, if you're looking to get in some fair, balanced, competitive leagues, we have fantasy football leagues starting now. Oh, St. Louis Rams, Greg Salas rookie. And much like our Hits of Fame, we're going to do a Fantasy Sports Hall of Fame. And we're going to put all the winners' names up there. So if that's not prestigious enough, we do pay out a lot of money as well. Green Bay Packers, James Starks. Indianapolis Colts, Peyton Manning. New Orleans Saints, Drew Brees. It looks like we have a 3-player rookie card. Mark Ingram, Ryan Williams, and Shane Vereen. And left to right, this one will go to the Saints. Cincinnati Bengals, Cedric Benson. And a rookie, Indianapolis Colts, Delonte Carter. Alright, looks like we got 2 hits from the first stack. 5 to go. 2 more hits, I believe. Dallas Cowboys, DeMarcus Ware. Dallas Cowboys, Tony Romo. And we have a rookie autograph, Minnesota Vikings, Christian Ponder. Very nice rookie quarterback autograph. Those are always very nice down the road. And that one is numbered 20 out of 99. So you can get that focused in here, live in HD for you. There we go. Nice short print rookie auto. And a quad rookie, Mark Ingram, Ryan Williams, Mikael LeSure, and Jordan Todman. And that'll go top left to right. So Saints are getting this one too. And Saints, Drew Brees. 49ers, rookie Kendall Hunter. New York Giants, Hakeem Nicks. New York Giants, Brandon Jacobs. Cincinnati Bengals, Cedric Benson. Prime Rookies, New England Patriots, Shane Vereen. Dallas Cowboys, Felix Jones. And Minnesota Vikings, Christian Ponder. 3 packs left. Dallas Cowboys, Mark Whitten. Baltimore Ravens,